So this is the view of the golden moon from the outside. You can see the bed just has this beautiful view. We've got seating, some chairs. I love this. This is a very unique feature. We have a fire pit here. It's a propane fire pit. So just take off the top, sit out here with your loved one and look out over the beautiful pasture. And it's just so romantic. One other thing that I really love that the host added is that both of the domes have a pizza oven. So you can make your own pizza, kind of something that you wouldn't normally do at home. There's also a grill. So just a lot of different options for cooking. There are restaurants nearby as well, but sometimes it's fun just to have a romantic weekend away. You cook, you clean together, you just stay in a dome and enjoy the view. Out in the pasture, they are putting together a beautiful lavender farm. This is all the firewood you will need to stay in this dome. Now I am at the Golden Star. This is just next to the golden moon, and you can see the grill. We've got a nice little cooler. You get the full view of the pizza oven and the grill with the lavender field in the back. And again, we have a beautiful fire pit, little place to sit. This is romance, romance, romance. Okay, going into the Golden Star. This is a little bit different, but beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. We have a TV, we have a king bed, and it's interesting, lots more wood in this decor. So here's our little kitchen, and the host thought of everything. We've got a little toaster oven, microwave, hot plate and a tea kettle. This is one of the heat sources, just 2 heat sources, and then a cooling. And then everything you need for cooking, preparing some food, coffee maker in the kitchen. This bathroom is very different than the other. This actually came with a giant shower. I was amazed at the space in this shower. This is great. So you don't even feel like you're glamping, but this is glamping at its finest for sure. I do really love the setup in the bathroom for the sink. It's just very rustic. There's even a hair dryer, plug. Everything you need is located inside this really, really great glamping experience. And this is in Benton, Tennessee.